With energy.
This like that?
Okay, tell them your name.
Sorry, Kuya.
Why?
I forgot my name.
Okay, so listen. I will say the word concentrate, then try to remember your name, okay?
Okay.
Ready? Concentrate.
Okay.
Concentrate.
Okay.
Concentrate.
Okay.
Concentrate.
Okay. I knew it.
What's your name?
Concentrate.
So repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Say this. My name
My name
is...
is
Very good.
very good. My name is very good.
Okay, so anyway, ladies and gentlemen, kids, I would like to meet my friend, and his name is Tonyo. What is his name again?
No, not Toyo.
Okay, everybody say, Hi, Tonyo! Greet them.
Hi, Toyo.
Tonyo,
Yes.
how old are you?
I'm 3.
You're 3.
Yes.
Okay, so what would you like to be when you grow up?
When I grow up, I want to be like Superman.
Superman?
Yes.
Superman is a superhero.
I know.
Superman can fly.
Me too.
Okay, how far can you fly?
How far can you throw me? Joke lang, Charis.
Okay, now, what I mean is, what would you like to be when you finish your school?
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.
Doctor.
Yes.
Okay, so for you to become a good doctor, of course, you need to
Go to school.
and learn. Alright, are you studying?
Of course.
Then show them, prove them.
How?
I have a question.
I can answer.
First question.
First answer.
Spelling.
Uy, I'm good in spelling.
Really?
Yes.
No coaching. Teach me, please. Tonyo,
Yes.
spell dog.
Dog.
Go.
D-O-G.
Very good.
I told you.
Spell cat.
Cat.
Go.
C-A-T. Ponies. I told you.
Now,
Harder.
spell ambulance.
Huh?
Ambulance.
What?
Spell it. Ambulance.
What?
I will give you the first letter. And the first letter is A.
A.
What comes after A?
A1 ko. Let me think of it. I knew it.
Go.
L A L G U L A N C E.
What is that?
Ambulance.
Yeah, very good. Can you spell it fast?
Okay.
Go.
A N G U L E N C E.
Faster.
English.
Faster.
English.
The fastest one.
It's an emergency.
That's Phantom Throw. That's okay.
Emergency is an ambulance.
What? Yes, go ahead.
Magellan. Lako. 3 plus 3 is plus 3.
Okay, now. Let's talk about animals.
What?
Animals.
All about